Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a Baseball 9 modded version on your phone. No jailbreak computer needed. So this works on iPhone and Android. It's super cool. You can get pretty rich from it, and I really like it, guys. So if you like to play Baseball 9, then you're probably going to want to try this out right now, guys, because it actually still works, and it is super cool. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. I love it. Baseball 9 is one of my favorite games. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and let's get right back into the tutorial. Alright guys, so if you want to get the Baseball 9 mod, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So as you can see, I'm pretty loaded up right now. We're not really feeling that low money vibe. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website called zoomods.com. So let me just go ahead and show you how this will work for a big newbie. And I'm not sure I can do this because I have a really bad connection, but here we are on Google. So just go to the search bar and type in zoomods, and then it should come right up. So let's give it a second to go ahead and load right here. And as you can see, guys, there is the website. So once we're here, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Baseball 9. As you can see, it comes right up. Press the download button and it should start to download. So let's see what's going on, and there you go, guys. As you can see, it is downloading. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super awesome, guys. I really like Baseball 9, but I don't like having no money in the game, so this was a super cool method for me personally. But I understand that some of you guys want to be like stupid, legitimate players, and I can't really support you, so I would expect that you try this mod if you clicked on this video, and you can get pretty rich from this, which is pretty cool. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this tutorial. It is super insane, guys, and I really like it. So I think this video is going to work for you guys, so definitely go ahead and share it and just get the word out about this method because it is super cool. And yeah, there's no problems with this method at all. It actually works fine for me. So hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, try it out for yourself, get the word out about this tutorial, and it should work, guys. So pretty insane. I haven't had any problems whatsoever, so I think it's going to work for you guys if you follow the steps. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video. Hope you enjoyed this one. It's a super cool time, and peace out.